Okay, next is a sixth question. Fifth question completed. Next is sixth question. Sixth question is a true false. We can identify whether it is a true means we can tick with T. Whether it is false means we can tick with F. False means F. True means T. Okay. See the first one in the sixth question. First one is a nitric acid turn red litmus to blue. Nitric acid turn red litmus to blue. It is a false or true? Nitric acid means that is a acid. It is a turn red litmus to blue. Acid does not turn red litmus into the blue. So that is a wrong. For suppose if they given the base means it will be turned into the red to the blue. That is a correct. But here what they given, nitric acid turn red litmus to blue. That is the wrong. So first one, sixth question. First one, true false. Nitric acid turn red litmus to blue. Red litmus blue. So it is a true or false? Acid does not turn red into the blue. So it is a false. It is a false. And second one, sodium hydroxide turn blue litmus to red. Sodium hydroxide means that is a base. Sodium hydroxide is turn blue litmus to red. Sodium hydroxide is a base. It is a base turn litmus paper into red to blue. So they given the here blue to red. So it is also wrong, false. Sodium hydroxide turn blue litmus to red. Okay, sodium hydroxide turn blue litmus to red. It is a false. Why? Because sodium hydroxide is a base. Always base turn red to blue only it will be turn. But here they given they turn blue litmus to red. That's why it is a wrong. Next, third one. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other and form salt and water. Yes, already we are discussed just now in the fifth question. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid HCl and NaOH neutralize each other and form salt and water. Just now I explained in the fifth question. Okay, see, hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide is neutralize each other and form salt and water. Okay, it is a true. Now third one, sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. What is the formula of hydrochloric acid? HCl. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other and form salt and water So it is a true. It is a true. Next, fourth one. Indicator is a substance which shows the different colors in acidic and basic solution. Indicator is a substance. Yes, indicator is a substance which shows different colors in acidic and basic solution. Already we have discussed what are the indicators. We have discussed about the natural indicators and synthetic indicators also we have discussed. Okay, in the natural indicators, when we are adding to the acid or base, their color will be changed. Okay, that is a true. Indicator is a substance which shows different colors in acidic and basic solution. With acidic and basic solution, it shows the different colors. So that is the true. Indicators is a substance which shows different colors in acidic and basic solution. In acidic and basic solution. So it is a true. Next, fifth one. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of base. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of the base. Yes, it is a. Once you observe this question is true or false. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of a base. Presence of acid only tooth decay is caused. But here they given tooth decay is caused by the presence of base. So it is a wrong. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of tooth decay is caused by the presence of a base. It is a false. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of a base. Okay, so this is about the true and false questions. Okay, in the next class we are discussing about the remaining questions. Total 11 questions is there. Remaining questions we have to discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.